GRP Construction, they've got your heavy equipment rental needs covered. Rent a machine and operate it yourself, or use one of their experienced operators to run the equipment for you. GRP's extensive fleet includes a variety of heavy equipment and attachments. Specializing in Hitachi excavators, sizes range from 75s to 870s. From backhoes to rollers and rock trucks, GRP has the perfect equipment rental solution for your project or operation. But it's not just about the equipment. It's about trusted support and service. Their journeyman mechanics are on call and ready to fix any unforeseen issues right on site. Talk to the Orange Machine Specialist now and find the right equipment solution for the job. GRP. Dig deeper. Deliver results.